Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the future of home tech with the top 10 coolest home gadgets from Amazon. Whether you're into smart homes, cutting-edge appliances, or just love seeing what's new, this list has something for everyone. Let's jump right into it. 10. Brilliant Smart Dimmer Switch. The Brilliant Smart Dimmer Switch is a cutting-edge addition to any modern home, seamlessly blending innovative technology with sleek design. Designed to replace traditional light switches, it offers unparalleled convenience and control over your lighting environment. Compatible with various types of bulbs including LED, CFL, halogen, and incandescent, the dimmer switch allows for precise adjustment of brightness levels to suit different occasions and moods, from bright task lighting to soft ambient glow. One of its standout features is its integration with smart home ecosystems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, enabling voice control for hands-free operation. Beyond voice commands, the switch can be controlled remotely via a smartphone and app, putting lighting control at your fingertips no matter where you are. The app also allows scheduling of lights, creating routines, and monitoring energy usage, promoting both convenience and efficiency. 9. Eufy Floodlight Cam E340. The Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 represents a robust blend of advanced surveillance technology and outdoor lighting. Designed to enhance home security, this device integrates a powerful 1080p camera with dual floodlights, ensuring crisp and clear video footage even in low-light conditions. Its wide-angle lens provides a broad field of view, capturing details with clarity up to 30 feet away. The integrated AI technology enables smart detection of human motion, distinguishing between people and other moving objects to minimize false alerts. Users can customize detection zones and sensitivity levels through the companion mobile app, allowing tailored monitoring based on specific needs. Installation is straightforward with a weather-resistant design that withstands various outdoor conditions, ensuring reliable performance year-round. The floodlights are adjustable, offering flexibility in directing light where needed, further enhancing visibility and deterring potential intruders. Eufy's Floodlight Cam E340 also features two-way audio, enabling users to communicate remotely with visitors or deter trespassers through the app. With support for local storage via microSD card and optional cloud storage plans, users have flexible options for storing and accessing recorded footage. Overall, the Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 is a comprehensive solution for those seeking robust outdoor security with integrated lighting capabilities and smart features. 8. Portable Range Hood. The Sierra Portable Range Hood is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance designed to enhance air quality and cooking experience in any space. With its sleek and compact design, this range hood is ideal for small kitchens, RVs, apartments, or any area where traditional venting may not be possible. Despite its size, it packs a powerful punch with its extraction capabilities, effectively removing smoke, grease, odors, and steam from the air while cooking. Equipped with easy-to-use controls and multiple fan speeds, the Sierra Portable Range Hood offers flexibility and convenience tailored to different cooking needs. Its efficient filtration system ensures that air pollutants are captured effectively, promoting a cleaner and healthier kitchen environment. The hood is designed for simple installation and maintenance, making it accessible for users who value practicality and ease of use. Whether you're stir-frying, simmering, or grilling, this portable range hood provides reliable ventilation without the need for complex ductwork. 7. Gene Composter. The Gene Composter is an innovative solution designed to revolutionize organic waste management. Combining advanced technology with sustainability principles, the GEME Composter efficiently transforms food scraps and organic materials into nutrient-rich compost. Its compact design and user-friendly interface make it suitable for both residential and commercial environments, offering a convenient way to reduce waste and promote eco-friendly practices. The GEME Composter employs a state-of-the-art aerobic composting process, ensuring rapid decomposition while minimizing odors and emissions. It operates quietly and cleanly, utilizing natural aeration and microbial activity to break down organic matter into compost that can enrich soil and support plant growth. The key features of the GEME Composter include automated controls for temperature and moisture levels, ensuring optimal composting conditions without the need for constant monitoring. 6. Retractable Clothesline. A retractable clothesline is a practical and versatile solution for drying laundry outdoors while maximizing space and convenience. Unlike traditional fixed clotheslines, which require dedicated poles or posts, a retractable clothesline offers flexibility by allowing you to extend and retract the line as needed. Typically, these clotheslines consist of a durable casing that houses a strong nylon or steel line. The casing can be mounted on a wall, a fence, or any suitable surface, using screws or brackets provided with the unit. When not in use, the line retracts back into the casing, keeping it protected from the elements and ensuring a neat appearance in your outdoor space. One of the key advantages of a retractable clothesline is its space-saving design. It takes up minimal room when retracted, making it ideal for smaller yards, balconies, or even indoor use in laundry rooms. The adjustable length of the line allows you to customize the drying area according to your needs, whether you're drying a few delicate items or a full load of laundry. 5. Drio Pedestal Fan. The Drio Pedestal Fan is a testament to modern cooling technology designed to provide powerful and efficient airflow in any environment. Boasting a sleek and contemporary design, it seamlessly integrates into various home or office settings, enhancing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. The fan features advanced aerodynamic blades that ensure whisper-quiet operation, perfect for maintaining a peaceful atmosphere while delivering a refreshing breeze. With its adjustable height and tilt-back head, the Drio Pedestal Fan offers customizable airflow direction, catering to individual comfort preferences. It includes multiple speed settings, allowing users to select the ideal level of cooling intensity for different occasions or seasons. Additionally, the fan is equipped with a remote control for convenient operation from a distance, adding further convenience to its user-friendly design. Built with durability in mind, the Drio Pedestal Fan promises long-lasting performance, making it a reliable choice for cooling larger spaces efficiently. 4. Oversized Electric Recliner Chair. The oversized electric recliner chair epitomizes comfort and functionality, designed to provide a luxurious seating experience. Crafted with ample dimensions, it offers generous space for relaxation, accommodating individuals seeking extra room to unwind. Its electric mechanism allows effortless reclining, controlled by a user-friendly panel typically located on the chair's side. This feature enables seamless adjustment to various reclining positions, catering to personal preferences for sitting or lounging. Upholstered in plush, durable fabrics or leather, the chair ensures both comfort and durability, promising long-lasting use. Its overstuffed cushions and padded armrests contribute to a cocooning effect, enveloping the occupant in plush comfort. Ideal for home theaters, living rooms, or cozy reading corners, the oversized electric recliner chair enhances any space with its blend of functionality and style. 3. Smart Wall Space Heater. The Smart Wall Space Heater combines cutting-edge technology with efficient heating capabilities, making it an ideal choice for modern homes. Designed to optimize both comfort and energy savings, this heater integrates seamlessly into any living space. Its smart features allow for remote control via mobile apps, enabling users to adjust temperature settings from anywhere, ensuring a warm environment upon arrival. Safety is paramount with built-in sensors that monitor for overheating and automatically shut off if tipped over, providing peace of mind for households with pets or children. The sleek design of the heater blends effortlessly into various decor styles, complementing contemporary interiors without occupying valuable floor space. With programmable timers and eco-friendly modes, it efficiently manages energy consumption, minimizing costs while reducing environmental impact. 2. AlphaBot X6. The AlphaBot X6 represents a cutting-edge advancement in robotics, designed to revolutionize both industrial and domestic landscapes. Standing at just over a meter tall, this sleek and agile robot boasts a robust titanium alloy frame, ensuring durability and stability in various environments. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and artificial intelligence, the AlphaBot X6 demonstrates exceptional adaptability and precision in its tasks. 1. Comfier. Nestled within the folds of a plush, oversized armchair, with its velvety embrace wrapping around like a warm hug, one discovers the essence of comfort. The gentle yielding of the cushions molds effortlessly to the contours of the body, offering solace after a long day's toil. Soft lamplight casts a soothing glow, illuminating pages of a beloved book held in hands that finally find rest. The air is faintly scented with lavender, a fragrance that lulls the senses into tranquility. And there you have it, the top 10 coolest home gadgets from Amazon. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos on the latest in tech and innovation. Until next time, stay curious.